Hello friends, welcome to our channel retailconnect.com. In this session, we will discuss some tips and tricks of JavaScript. Okay, so here we start with the first one. Okay, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. Okay, so this is the first tip. Okay, now second tip is type of NaN will return a number. Okay, because NaN is not a number. Okay, so the type of NaN will return a number. Now move to the third one, temporal zone. What is temporal zone? Temporal date zone is a behavior that occurs with variables declared using let and constant keywords. Okay, so when we define any variables using the let and constant, it creates the temporal date zone behavior. Okay, what are the types of scopes in JavaScript? So there are three types of scopes in JavaScript: global scope, local or you can say function scope, and third one is block scope. Block scope was introduced in ES6 version of JavaScript, whereas global and local were used earlier versions as well. Okay. What is hoisting? Hoisting is a default behavior of JavaScript where all the variable and function declarations are moved on top. That means if you declare something like function or you can say variables, it will be moved on the top, okay, while compiling. Okay, so that behavior is called hoisting. To avoid hoisting, you can run JavaScript in strict mode by using use strict, okay, on the top of your code so that you can avoid your hoisting behavior. Okay. Now, double equal to and triple equal to comparison. So double equal to is used to compare only values, whereas triple equal to is used to compare both value and types as well. So what is the type? Basically, data types will be checked, like boolean is there or number is there, string is there. Okay. Implicit type coercion is in JavaScript is automatic conversion of value from one data type to another. It takes place when the operands of an expression are of different data types. Okay, that means if you want to add a number with a string, or you can subtract a number from a string. So this is called the implicit type coercion. It depends on the operands and the expressions. While using minus operator is that a string is converted to a number and then subtraction takes place. So let's suppose 5 minus and 3 is in the string. So the string will be converted into number and then subtraction takes place. If the string will be not a number, then you will get a null. So this is the example of implicit conversion. String coercion takes place while using the plus operator as well. When a number is added to a string, the number type is always converted to string type. So let's suppose you have a string hello and plus 3. Then the output will be hello 3. Okay. Now, truthy values are those which will be converted codes to true. Falsy values are those which will be converted to false. So examples will be all values except 0, a big 0 int, okay, minus 0 empty string, null, undefined, and NAR are all truthy values because that can be converted into false. Okay. Now the last one is console.log 0.1 plus 0.2. The output will be your this type. Okay. When you want to compare with 0.4 plus 0.1 equal to 5, it will give you true. If you will use triple equal to compare this, you will again get true. Okay. So in this session, we have discussed some tips and tricks. In the next session, we will discuss more tips and tricks. So stay tuned with our channel. Like this video, subscribe our channel. Okay. Thanks for watching this session.